Hi, my name is Maria Valadez. I've been here at Precision Plus since February of 2018. I started off in the secondary department. I moved my way into the quality lab, where I am now the quality lead. It has been awesome to work here and gain an actual career that I really do enjoy doing. I have had the pleasure to work here and make ventilator parts during this hard time of the COVID-19 pandemic. Here at Precision Plus, we put our heart and efforts to make sure that we had quality products going out to save lives out there.
Hi, my name's Ryan Noon. I've been a setup person here at Precision Plus for 10 years. This year, it's unfortunate that we haven't been able to have the community through for our manufacturing day open house, but it has shown me the new level of importance for manufacturing when we were called upon to make ventilator parts for COVID relief.